Good afternoon, I'm Ayong. Before I start, I have a question for you. Do you use social media?
Yes.
Okay, I see. In today's digital age, almost everyone uses social media. Through this speech, I hope you realize that social media isn't always a bad thing. It can actually help us feel happier. First, I would like to discuss how social media connect us. Family and Family and friends can still talk even if they are living in different parts of the world. For instance, my friend is living in the USA, but we still talk through KakaoTalk. Some people post their stories to show their daily lives to loved ones living far away. Also, we can make new friends by joining groups. So, we can meet a variety of friends from another country. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram can foster a sense of community and connect like-minded individuals who live geographically distant from one another but share different interests. Also, we don't feel lonely when we use social media because we can join supportive communities like Facebook groups. In fact, a majority of adolescents report that social media helps them feel supported and accepted. Now, let me talk about how social media helps us learn many things. For example, we can watch YouTube videos uh, to learn many skills like coding, drawing, and cooking. In my case, I watch YouTube English tutorials and use English techniques to improve my English skills, like this one.
Look at you, playing with your cars. Pathetic. We've got final exams coming up soon. I'm ready. Ask me any questions.
So, um, through this technique, I don't have hard time to speaking English now. Um, so wait. In addition, social media helps us learn about different cultures. It shows us how people live in other countries. We can see their posts like food, holidays, and traditions from places we might never visit. So, this way, we get to appreciate and understand different ways of life. Lastly, social media makes us feel good. Social media makes us feel good because much of the content on it gives us happy vibes. For example, cute animal videos or funny memes. When we watch cute animal videos or funny memes, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like serotonin or dopamine. And then as a pet lover, I feel happy when I watch videos about I watch puppy videos of puppy playing fetch. Also, there are many videos on TikTok that lift my mood when I share with my friends, as we can laugh at those memes together. In addition, sharing our achievements makes us feel proud. Thus, some people post their stories about good scores or sports goals. Some people argue that social media has negative effects, but there are many ways to use it healthily. First is set time limits on social media apps, within your phone setting. According to UC Davis Health, setting time limits helps us maintain balance and foster healthy relationships. Second is unfriend people who make you feel bad about yourself. This is very important because I also believe that um, some people commit, some people even commit suicide, suicide because of the ridicule from others. Today, I talk about the impact of social media on happiness. Through this speech, I hope you understood well and realized that social media has also benefits. Thank you for listening to my speech. Have a nice weekend.